Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today we will be making a very delicious and my favorite dessert. It is called tiramisu and you will not stop making this very yummy dessert. Let's get started. As we love this tiramisu dessert, we are making it in a big rectangular dish that is 6 by 12 inches. You can make it in a 6 by 6 inch dish and reduce the ingredients to half. For sprinkling, we need cocoa powder, two packets of sponge fingers, 1.5 tub of mascarpone cheese, vanilla extract, 500 milliliters of fresh cream, 3 tablespoons of instant coffee, 5 large eggs, 5 tablespoons of sugar, 1 liter of water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2.5 tablespoons of coffee, pour boiling water on coffee. Now mix it and leave it to cool until it's lukewarm. Now separate the egg whites from the egg yolks in different bowls. Now beat the egg whites until they form a peak. Now they have formed a peak. In the egg yolks, put 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and beat. The reason we beat them separately is because if you beat them together, they will leave liquid at the bottom of the dish and the tiramisu won't get settled. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar also. Set them aside for a while. Now beat cream and put in vanilla extract as well, and 3 tablespoons of sugar, and beat. When it becomes thick, add mascarpone cheese and beat for a while. When it forms fold, it means it's ready. Now put egg yolks and egg white. Do not stir them. Instead, fold them with spatula. Now add all of the mixtures together and fold them again. Get your dish and the coffee and you dip in the fingers in coffee. Dipping time is 7 seconds and make a layer. If put the fingers in coffee for more than 7 seconds, they will break apart. When that's done, pour the mixture on top of the fingers and spread thoroughly. Now sprinkle cocoa powder. And make second layer. Cover it with cling film and put it in fridge overnight. Now it is the next day and we will cut the tiramisu to show you guys how it looks like. Thank you for watching our YouTube video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video. See you again, Allah Hafiz.